excited that you are opportune to join this wonderful program that is being organized, and I hope that um, um, you take good advantage of what you are learning right now. Yeah, this is just an introduction to Pixelab. Just have to explain some of the things that are there. Now, when you open your Pixelab, this is what you are going to find. You are going to see this default interface. Now, let's go onto the tabs. Now, you see this place written as my projects. This is where you get your previous works that you have done. Like, let me click on it now. You see some of my previous job that I've done. Like this, you see engineering flyer, the unique and cool. So you see that now we have some default background, as you can see here. Different. When I click, you see it is editable. Double click, then you can edit it. You can change anything. Look at this, 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 and so on. Now, this the text too, that is the A. When you click on it, this is used to make a new text. You see, double tap it, you press, you can type anything. I am a future graphic, oh sorry, graphic designer. Do you see that? When you click OK, you have this. I am a graphic designer. Now, when the text is being picked, we have where you can edit it. See, we have edit. If you want to change things in the text, now see copy, you can duplicate it. Position, this time, this four lines, you can use it to shift it to the side, that is to the right, to the left, down, up. You see, we have size. You can increase the size of the font. It is used to resize it. You see, it's getting bigger, it's getting bigger, and you can reduce it, it's getting smaller. You get that? Now, we have the paddling. Now, this, look at it. It shift the word from the left to the right. Now, look at, see what it does, as you can see. Now, if you want to give your text color, this is the color too. When you click on it, you see I can change the color to anything I want. Black, red, white. Do you see that? Here you can change the color. Now, we have the texture field. Now, this texture field, like, you can import a picture or any color put in into your text. Now, let me show you how it works. Just look at. Now, you click on this. You can select any picture or anything or any image on your what is it called, on your gallery. Now, let me look for something nice, something nice, something very nice. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, coming. Let me check for something very beautiful. Oh, okay. Let me use this lady's picture. Just see how the texture field works. Now, just click on this mark button. As you can see, do you see what happened to the text? You see that? Look at it, the color has changed like that. You get? Now, we have the opacity. Now, what opacity does is to like paint or make a text transparent. Now look at, let me just reduce the opacity. You see the text is fading away. Do you see? The text is fading away. So that's what it does. That's what it does. Now we have the rotate tool. Now this rotate tool is to look at, is to turn it around. Now without even using the this rotate tool manually, you can rotate your text or your icon or anything on the on your working sheet. Like look at, I can turn it around, I can turn it around. Now I have the we have the maxing tool. I'm coming. Yes, we have the max tool. Now max tool is to look at, you can cut your text to have, just give it something beautiful. Look at what it does. Now you can undo what you have done before. That is, if you want to erase what you have done before, look at this arrow to return it back to its former position. You continue pressing it. Do you see? Now we have the font. Here you pick your fonts, anyone you want. You see the text is changing. See, look at, the text is more bold. You can change it. Now we have the um, style icon. This B, when you click on it, the options there are bold. If you want it to be italic, look at now. When I click bold, the the text will be more visible. When you click on scan, do you see italic? You can underline it, as you can see like that. Now we have the curve. Do you see? Maybe you want to wrap your text around a circle or so. Do you see bend to? Look at it, bend it to an half what? Half circle. So you can bend and all that. Do you see that? Now we have the background. Now you can want a background to be under your text. So look at that. You can change the color. Color. Do you see that? See how beautiful it is? Do you see that? So that's the work of that. Now this alignment is to justify to the right, to the left. You get? So we have the spacing. You space the letter. Do you see that? You space the letters. Do you see that? You space the letters, as you can see. Now we have the line. That's when you're having too much of text, you can use it, line spacing. So now we have the stroke. Now if you want your work to be more visible, now you can add a stroke to it. When you click on it, you see that? You see that? Can you see that? Look, you can give it any color you want. You can give it any color you want. Any color. You see that? That's the work of that. Now we have the shadow tool. This shadow tool, it gives your text or any icon, it gives a shadow effect. Look at that. Can you see that? Now we have the opacity. You can reduce it. Now we have the blur. You can increase it. Look at that. Look at that. Now you can give it an outer glow when you click on this enable. Do you see that? Do you see that? So wonderful. I love this app so much that I can use it to do any design I wish. Now we have inner shadow. Look at, the shadow will be inside. Look at that. Can you see that? Now we have the emboss. That gives it a shining look. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Look, look. We have the perspective. This one is just used to change how the text look. Look at that. can slant it, do this and do so many more things you can use that for. And a 3D rotate, you can use you can rotate your text, your icon, anything. Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look, look at that. So that's work of that. Then we have the 3D text. See, it makes your text a 3D shape. Look at, you can reduce this, you can reduce this, and like that. We have the shadow effect, 3D shadow effect, you know, like the normal shadow effect. That's how it works. And the T reflection. Look at, you can it give your text a reflection on there, and you can take it up too. Do you see that? A reflection of your of anything you want, even if it's a picture. Now we have the shape too, and we have this shape too. You can pick icons from here, stars, anything. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Emojis. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Do you see that? And you can download more from this premium. Anything you see king on top, it means it is a paid stuff. So you pay to get more stickers. Now we have the import. Here, if you want to bring in a picture, now let's just do something now. Look at, look at. I can pick any picture from my storage. I can pick any picture. Let me pick one of my picture. Look at. Do you see that? You use it to import any of your pictures. Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh, let me delete it. Or let me leave it. Now you have the draw. This one you can use it to draw anything. Look at. Depends on how versatile you are. You can use it for anything. You can change the color too. We have the shape. Here you get different shape. When you click on this, you see we have the rectangle, we have the circle, we have the semicircle, we have triangle, we have stars, love, and many more. Do you see that? Now we have the bizarre too. Look at, this is used to create some effects. As the class go on, I will show you what you can use this thing to do. As in, it's very amazing. Now this arrow key, see, you can use it for anything. Look at the shape. It just shapes, just shapes. Now you see this double rectangle. You have the color. Here you can give your background any color. Do you see that? It's changing. It's changing. Can you see that? Can you see that? Look at that. Now we have the transparent. If you want your background to be transparent, can you see that? It makes your text, your background transparent. Now we have the I'm coming. Let me give it a color, black. Now we have the image resize. This image resize, this is I want you to know that Pixelab operates in pixels. So when you want to do anything, you have to know the size you want to give it to it. This is the default size, so you can decide to change it. Now this image, this one is true, is all those the default images that comes with Pixelab. You see that? So beautiful. Look at this black. I love this. Wow, wow, this is beautiful. If you want to import pictures from your gallery, just click on this. It will take you straight to your gallery. See, can bring in any image. Look at this. Let's just bring this in. Look at, look at, look at that. And you can, as a background, you see, you can remove it, undo, and so on. So now we have this double rectangle. Let's click on it. This is where you see everything you have been doing. You can lock this so as for it to not move. Do you see this text will not move? You can lock this, you will see it will not move again. Look at this. You see I can move it, but when I lock it now, I can't move it any longer. You see that? So you can unlock it, unlock it, unlock it. Now if I want this picture to disappear, as in not to appear here without deleting it, click on this. You see this eye icon, just click on it, the picture will disappear. Do you get it? Now we have the if you want to save your work, you click on this. You can save as project, save as image. Now you save as project when you are still designing your your whatever. Then you save it as image to bring it out. You Now let me save as project now. So you save it as project, and anytime you need it. I'm a graphic designer. You see that? When you save it, it's saved. When I want it in image, just click on this, save as image. You see that? Now, thanks for being part of the training. This is just an introduction. Tomorrow we'll move on to the next thing. Have a wonderful day.